In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build tree list queries in Azure DevOps. If you're looking to master this essential tool as part of your Learning Azure DevOps Queries series, you're in the right place. As we go through these steps, I'll provide you with clear instructions and helpful tips to ensure you're comfortable navigating this process. Let's dive in. First, make your way to the Queries section within your Azure DevOps project. To do this, head over to Boards and then select Queries. Based on your permission level and your needs, you have the option to choose between My Queries or Shared Queries. Alternatively, you can opt to create a new folder if that's your preference. This is the foundational step where you'll prepare to build your query structure. Next, it's time to create a new query. You'll want to click on New and then New Query. This action will open up the Query Editor toolbar. One of the first things to adjust here is the query type. The default setting is often a flat list of work items, but for our purpose, you'll want to switch this to Tree of Work Items. This change allows you to create a hierarchical view, which is crucial for building tree list queries effectively. With your query type set, it's now essential to define filters for your top-level items. In the section labeled Filters for Top-Level Work Items, add relevant clauses based on what you need for your project. For instance, if you're working with work items categorized as epics, you might set your field-to-work item type equals epic. Additionally, specify the area path to include a particular project or team area and filter out closed items by setting the state not equal to closed. This ensures you're only working with active, relevant items. You may also find it useful to select Match Top-Level Work Items first. This option helps start your query at the parent level, making it easier to view the hierarchy. Now, it's time to go a level deeper. In the section for Filters for Linked Work Items, define the criteria for child or further descendant items. An example might be selecting Work Item Type in Feature and User Story with a state set to Active. It's crucial in this step to choose the correct link type that reflects parent-child relationships, ensuring the hierarchy is clear and accurate. With your query set up, it's time to run it and see the results. Simply click Run Query, and you should be presented with a hierarchical list of items, where top-level items are collapsed with their respective children nested underneath. Utilize the Expand All and Collapse All buttons in the toolbar to get a full view of your created tree. Finally, save your hard work. Click Save Query and give it a meaningful name that reflects its purpose, such as Epic to Features to Stories for Team X. Select a folder like Shared Queries if you want others in your team to access it, and remember to set the necessary permissions for visibility. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to building tree list queries in Azure DevOps. I hope this was helpful, and you're now better equipped to manage your project queries efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next lesson.